Google just dropped their latest AI video generator, Veo 3.1, and honestly, it's not bad, but it's definitely not the big leap we were hoping for. So in this video, we will look at the update features and test it on screen to see what's actually new, what still sucks, and how it stands against other big AI video models. According to Google's announcement, this update brings richer audio, better narrative control, more realism, and improved prompt accuracy. And hey, some creators have been saying Veo 3.1 can make 30-second or even 1-minute videos. That is not true. It's still limited to 8 seconds per generation. What it does have is this extend option. Basically, it takes the last frame of your previous clip and continues it into the next one, so you can chain clips together, but it's not seamless. It's the exact same method that I showed in my previous video to make longer AI videos. It just got a name for it now. Alright, that's enough chit-chat. Let's test this thing out. There are several platforms that you can use Veo 3.1 in, but for this I'm going to use the official Google Labs platform. If you are a free user, sign in, and you will have 100 monthly credits to check the models out. Okay, one thing that Veo 3.1 shines at is generating multiple shots. Let's try that with a scenario. Here's the prompt. Okay, this actually looks pretty good. The camera transitions are smooth, it follows the prompt structure well, and the audio design feels cinematic. However, on the prompt adherence, the starting frame doesn't quite feel like a drone shot as we requested. Next up, we all know that Veo 3 had a big problem with creating celebrity videos. Is it any better in Veo 3.1? Let's see. We will go with everyone's favorite benchmark, Will Smith eating spaghetti. Let's type that as the prompt, and here we are. We have a black male eating spaghetti, but the guy looks nothing like Will Smith. So instead, can we do this with uploading an image to animate? I'm going to upload this image here. And no, on Google Flow, it instantly blocks the uploading saying, "Our policies prohibit uploading prominent people." So yes, Google's famous censorship still prevails in Veo 3.1 as well. Alright, now let's test motion and physics, where Veo usually struggles a bit. First, a female gymnast doing a flip on a balance beam. Oh my god, that's scary. She does the flip really well, but the fall is really awkward. Now check out the same prompt on Hailuo V2. It may not be the same visual quality, but that's a big difference of movement. Faster, smoother, more realistic physics. Let's push it further. A man riding a unicycle and juggling red balls. In Veo, the juggling completely falls apart. Lots of morphing, and it fails to keep it consistent. But in Hailuo, the physics sync beautifully. I think the number of balls fluctuated a bit, but still the dynamics was good. So yeah, when it comes to physics or complex movement, Veo 3.1 still can't keep up with Hailuo AI. Now, 2 quick new features worth noting. Insert ingredients to video. Lets you upload multiple reference images, like a product, background, or character. And Veo blends them into your video. So here, let's try it. We will take our previous video and add a yellow spoiler to the car. Oh, that actually came out great! Our car now has a yellow-colored spoiler, and the rest of the video and audio stays the same. Is this the video version of Nano Banana? Now I'm getting excited. Maybe let's try changing the color of the car. Okay, it tried, but we could see green only in the last frame. so it's probably not there yet for seamless changes, but this example shows that we might be very close to get there. Next up, extend. This is how you make longer clips. Each generation is still 8 seconds max. Extend just continues from the last frame of your previous clip. Let's go for the extend option in the scene builder and type camera zooms out to a wide angle. This time, I'd say the transition came out very well, probably because I described a continuation. Does well for the most part, but gets awkward near the end. It's useful, but may not always be smooth. So overall, Veo 3.1 is an incremental upgrade. Prompt control and audio are better, sure. But I believe Sora 2 is definitely way ahead of Google in video generation at the moment. Hit like if this helped, subscribe to AI with TechSnap for more AI tool breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.